Okay, everybody. Multiple power outages. OBS removing my microphone input again, but we're going to try and get a video up before tomorrow, because tomorrow's Tuesday. Anyway, we're going to install another container updater called Tugtainer. Now, yes, it really is called Tugtainer. We'll go back up here. You'll see, keep your containers up to date. Again, don't know if this is new, old, brand new, super old, but we're going to take a look at it. So we're going to come down here, and we're first going to get our darker pull address. Let's go ahead and copy that. Let's go to Portainer, and we'll add a container, and we will call this Tugtainer. We'll put in our place to pull our image. It wants port 80. So 80. Let's go all 8s. 8888. Why not? Right, we need to have slash Tugtainer for our data. Let's go down here, volumes. We're going to map an additional volume, bind, and it said it keeps it in Tugtainer, which would be inside itself. And on our host, here's data. You can see where I was trying it earlier. We'll go ahead and copy path and paste that right in. Next, we need to do our Docker sock, and we want that to be read only. So copy. And yes, we need to do this in volume. So we're going to bind, paste, and then for our host, we take away the read only. Okay, that should be all we need to get it spun up. So let's go ahead and try deploying the container. Okay, should be starting now. Let's take a look here. We're not running as root. Nginx is running, the agent's running, the backend's going. Looks like everything seems to be getting up and going. Okay, it says Tugtainer is running. Let's go to local host, not host. Let's go to local host, and then we did all 8s for this one. Okay, when you first come to Tugtainer, it will say it wants a password. It'll ask for uppercase and all that kind of stuff for a strong password. But just for this demo, I did password as the password. Let's go ahead and sign in. And at first, you'll start with this collapsed, and you'll do check your host for all your instances of Docker you've added. And then you scroll it down, and you'll see what you got. Tugtainer is protected. This container is labeled with dev Quinry. Weird. Cannot be updated from the app. Yeah, because if it tried to update itself, it'd probably crash everything. I have not updated the Portainer on this VM in quite some time. There's an update available. It is running. The status of health is unknown. We can't have it set to check. We can update. Let's go ahead and try running update on this live and see what happens here. Just click update. It is in progress. And hopefully, we'll get an updated version of Portainer. But you never know. Okay. Says it's running. Check. Okay, so it seems to be good. No longer says it needs to be updated. So let's open our Portainer and see if we get the we need an update message again. So, that's not right. It's admin, not super user. So admin and our super secret password. 1234. What? Password 1234. Now I know it's password 1234. Password 1234. Okay, there it goes. Lord of mercy. Okay, maybe I was just trying to type it too quick. That has to do with Docker. And yes, we are on the newest version of Portainer right now. It actually updated. Nice. Now, I think you'll still have to prune images out yourself, yeah. 'Cause here's this Portainer right here. Let's go ahead and remove that. Let's go ahead and close our Portainer. And I think, yeah, you can set this to automatically check and also update. Now, again, I can't recommend it as a something you should do for every single container, but say it's a container that's updated very sparsely, and you want to make sure there's like a critical bug fix or a security vulnerability that's fixed. Especially if you have it facing towards the internet, I would definitely update it just to make sure you're safe. But again, this is just some simple things you can spin up, and I will have another, hopefully, if there's no problems in the coming week, a video to go. And I'm thinking about doing one for, I think it's Dazzle, and it's another interface front end for your Docker containers, not just an updater. Uh, but as always, I hope this helped. I hope you guys can get something out of this, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.